हेलो माय डियर क्लास 10 चैम्पियंस। आपका इंग्लिश बोर्ड 2026 पास आ गया है और आपको थोड़ी सी भी टेंशन हो रही है तो देन स्टॉप वरिंग राइट नाउ, बिकॉज आज की वीडियो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को कम्प्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देगा। इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव selected द मोस्ट important एंड मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट फ्लाइट एंड फुटप्रिंट विदाउट फीट। वो क्वेश्चंस जो बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, और अगर आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को प्रिपेयर कर लिया प्रॉपरली then scoring 90 plus or even 95 marks become very easy for you. ये सिर्फ रिवीजन नहीं है, दिस इज योर फाइनल पावर बूस्ट बिफोर द एग्जाम। सो सिट प्रॉपरली, टेक योर नोटबुक एंड पेन, अपना पूरा फोकस वीडियो पर और अपनी बुक्स पर रखिए एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस पावर पैक्ड फाइनल रिवीजन राइट नाउ। और आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कर दीजिए एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब होम क्लास जोन फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज के हमने क्वेश्चंस आपको दो टाइप से दिए हैं, लाइक व्हाई डिड लैंचो राइट अ लेटर टू गॉड। या तो आपसे ऐसे पूछेगा वो व्हाई डिड लैंचो राइट अ लेटर टू गॉड, या फिर आपको इम्प्रूव करके भी पूछ सकता है, कैसे व्हाई डिड लैंचो आस्क गॉड फॉर हेल्प। क्वेश्चन एक ही है, ओके, बस उसको थोड़ा डिफरेंट वे में कर दिया, लाइक डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में लिख दिया। और आप आंसर क्या लिखोगे? लैंचो wrote a letter to God because a heavy hailstorm destroyed his entire corn crop. Without the crop, his family would have no food and no money. He had strong faith in God and believed that God would surely help him. So he asked to send 100 pesos to so that he could sow his field again and support his family. Question number 1 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, वाई वॉज लैंचो एंग्री आफ्टर रिसीविंग द मनी। अब आपके सेट में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, अगर ऐसे नहीं आएगा तो कैसे आएगा? ऐसे आएगा, मैं बताता हूँ आपको। वाई डिड लैंचो बिकम एंग्री व्हेन ही रिसीव्ड द एनवेलप, and the answer is Lancho became angry because he received only 70 pesos instead of the 100 pesos he had asked for. He believed that God could never make a mistake. So he thought that the post office employees had stolen the remaining 30 pesos and called them a bunch of crooks. Question number second is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next, question number third. अगर आपसे व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ ऑफ अ नेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला, अगर ऐसे नहीं आएगा तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू मंडेला व्हाट मेक्स अ नेशन ट्रूली रिच, एंड द आंसर इज अकॉर्डिंग टू नेल्सन मंडेला द ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ ऑफ a nation is its people, especially the educated and responsible youth. He believed that disciplined and hard-working citizens are the real strength of a country. They help the nation grow, develop, and move towards equality and freedom. Question number third is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next, question number 4. According to Mandela, who is not truly free? How does Mandela say is not free? And the answer is Mandela says that both the oppressed and the oppressed are not free. The oppressed person is not free because he suffers from injustice. The oppressor is also not free because he is a prisoner of hatred and prejudice. Truly freedom means respecting other and living without hatred. Okay, question number 4 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का अगर आपसे हाउ डिड यंग सीगल ओवरकम हिज फियर, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही आपका हाउ डिड यंग सीगल फाइनली लर्न टू फ्लाई, एंड द आंसर इज द यंग सीगल वॉज वेरी अफ्रेड टू फ्लाई. His parents left him alone without food for a whole day. When his mother came with a piece of fish, he became very hungry and tried to catch it. In doing so, he fell off the ledge but started flapping his wings. Soon he realized he could fly. Question number 5 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next, question number 6. Simple way में कैसे आ सकता है ये? Why does Anne Frank say paper has more patience than people? जो इम्प्रूव होगा ये, तो क्वेश्चन कैसे आ सकता है? Why did Annie trust paper more than people? And the answer is Annie Frank believed that paper has more patience than people because paper listened silently and never judged her, so she could freely share her thoughts and feelings in her diary. Unlike people, paper does not interrupt complain, or get tired of listening. Question number 6 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next question number 7. How did Wali plan her bus journey? अब ये improve कैसे हो क्या सकता है? How did Wali prepare for her first bus ride? And the answer is Wali carefully listened to the conversation of adults and bus passengers. She collected all the details about the distance 6 miles से जो the fare 30 पैसे one way जो कि एक तरफ से लगने का 30 पैसे थे and the time taken 45 minutes. She saved money by not buying toys or sweets, planned everything secretly. Question number 7 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next question number 8. How did Buddha teach Kisa Gautami about death? और इसको इम्प्रूव होकर कैसे आ सकता है ये? How did Buddha make Kisa Gautami understand that death is natural? And the answer is Buddha asked her to bring mustard seed from a house where no one had ever died. When she went from house to house, she realized that every family had lost someone. She understood that death is unavoidable and a part of life. Question number 8 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर जो कि करेक्टेड है और इम्प्रूव्ड है. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्या कह रहा है? करेक्टर स्केच ऑफ लंच. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. You cannot avoid and miss this question and skip this question at any cost. Listen carefully. Okay, this is most important question. Don't skip this question. Okay, and the answer is Lancer was a poor but hard-working farmer who depended completely on his crops for survival. When hailstorm destroyed his field, he did not lose hope. Instead, he showed strong faith in God by writing a letter asking for help. He believed firmly that God would send him money. However, his simple faith made him doubt humans. When he received less money, he accused the post office staff of stealing it. Ledger represents deep faith and innocence. Question number 1 is done. Next, now you can take a screenshot. Next question is ideas of Mandela for South Africa. Okay, and the answer is Mandela dreamed of a South Africa free from racial discrimination and injustice. Under apartheid, black people were treated unfairly. He wanted a democratic nation where all people, regardless of race, could live equally. He also wished to end poverty, suffering, and gender discrimination. He believed in peace, humanity, and unity among citizens. Question number 2 is done, Lonka. Now you can take a screenshot. Next question, character sketch of Wali. This is also most important questions. And the answer is Wali was an intelligent and curious 8-year-old girl. She strongly desired to bus ride alone. She saved money carefully and planned everything in detail. She refused free drinks and stayed independent during the journey. However, when she saw a dead cow on the road, she realized that life is not always joyful. This showed her emotional maturity. Question number 3 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा आपको जो भी डाउट्स हो, क्वेश्चंस हो. और इससे पहले हमने आपके लिए और इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो बनाई हुई है, लाइक ग्रामर की हो गई, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की हो गई, सेंट्रल आइडिया की हो गई. मैं आपको सारी वीडियोस के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा. आप उधर से जाकर जल्दी से जल्दी चेकआउट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज बोर्ड एग्जाम में बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं बचा है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Why was Mrs. Pumphrey worried? And the answer is she was worried because Tricky had become very fat and lazy. He did not play or run and looked dull. She feared he was seriously ill. Next question. What treatment did Dr. Harriot give? And the answer is Dr. Harriot did not give any medicine. He controlled Tricky's diet, gave him simple food and water, and made him exercise. This helped Tricky become healthy again. Question number 2 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next question, what kind of thief was Hari Singh? And the answer is Hari Singh was a clever 15-year-old thief. He gained people's trust before stealing from them. He often changed his name to avoid being caught. Sorry, my mistake. Question number 3 is done. Now you can take a screenshot. And the next question, why did Max enter Hossable's room? And the answer is Max entered Hossable's rooms using a master key to steal an important report about new missiles. He wanted to get secret information. Question is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next question. Who was Griffin? Griffin was a brilliant but lawless scientist. He discovered how to make himself invisible. However, he misused this power for theft and criminal activities. Question is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Next. Why did Boli refuse to marry Bishambar? And the answer is Boli refused to marry Bishambar because he demanded 5 rupees as dowry after seeing her pock-marked face. Education had given her confidence and self-respect. She refused to marry a greedy man. Question is done. Now you can take a screenshot. Done. ओके प्रिपेयर्ड बाय होम क्लास ज़ोन. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि वो लोग भी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो मिस ना करें. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब होम क्लास जोन फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस. ओके, और मैं आपको वीडियोस का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड करवा दूंगा. आप उधर जाके सारी वीडियोस चेक कर सकते हो. लाइक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हो गई, ग्रामर हो गई, डायरेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट, एक्टिव, पैसिव, ऑल. ओके, हमने सारी प्रिपरेशन अपने चैनल पे कराई हुई है. सो प्लीज़ आप वॉच कीजिएगा, देखिएगा, उनको समझिएगा. आपके जो भी डाउट्स हो वो आप हमसे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. हम उसको जल्दी जल्दी सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.